Hey guys, welcome back to Golden Reviewer. So here we have the Poco F3 and Poco F4 GT again. Recently we just compared these two devices in the Genshin Impact game. If you haven't seen that video, check it out there. It's very interesting results. And today we are going to test another game because many of you requested this and you said that we shouldn't use just one game to decide whether a device is good or not, right? So today we are going to test Apex Legends Mobile, which is another very popular battle royale game. And yeah, as you can see here, we set both devices to the highest graphics settings possible at 60 FPS. And as usual, room temperature is 25 degrees. So I'll play one round of the game on both of these two devices. At the same time, you'll be able to see the real-time power consumption and FPS at the bottom of the video. Okay, so this test will last about 15 to 20 minutes. If you are interested, welcome to watch the full footage. Otherwise, skip to the end of the video for temperature, average FPS, and average power consumption, and conclusion. Alright, so without further ado, let's go.
Just say the word, and I'll call in a care package full of defensive gear. Medkit here. Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
Oh look, someone wandered into our safe space. Reloading.
My ultimate's ready.
Attention. The climatizer is now active.
Scanning the area.
Free
I can
diamonds.
top out those diamonds.
Send it out my decoy.
Recharging my shields.
Reloaded.
Down one. Reloaded. I'm going in. Down the hostile on Scotty. Oh look, someone vortex ready to go.
Shooting.
Reloaded. Scanning the area.
To those who need it, there is an extended energy pack here.
Strong work. Finish the last of that enemy squad.
Recharging my shields. Recharging my shields.
Extended sniper mag here. Level 4.
Recharging my shields.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Contact. Shooting. Reloaded. Reloaded. Enemy contact. Shooting.
Down the hostile on Scotty.
Close to down
Someone
if you
wandered
had
into our
to.
safe space.
Enemy down. Recharging my shields. Reloaded. Shooting. Reloaded.
I am the leader, a humble servant of the gods.
Recharging my shields.
Recharging
Let's
my
get here.
shields. Sending out my decoy.
Warning. Movement in progress.
Recharging shields.
Care package being delivered. Extended sniper mag here. Level 4.
Reloading. Shield battery here.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
Recharging my shields. Reloading.
Sending out my decoy.
Replicator being delivered.
Medkit here.
Making contact here. Sending out my decoy. Reloading. Throwing through my grenade. Reloading.
Oh no. Someone walked
Recharging
into our
shield.
safe space.
Scanning the area.
Scanning the area.
Sending out my decoy. Reloading. Reloading.
Recharging my shield.
Reloading. Enemy down. Reloading. Enemy down.
Contact. Battling the enemy. Down a hostile on Scotty.
Scanning the area. Reloading.
Contact.
Contact. Recharging my shield.
Reloading. Reloading.
Barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
Enemy down. Okay, whoa, they just
Extended
died.
heavy mag
I
here.
guess that was the
Level
last
3.
one.
Shooting.
Reloading.
Medkit here.
My ultimate's ready to go, brethren.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Shield battery here.
Stay close to dark if you're hurting.
Battery here.
My ultimate's ready to go, brethren.
Looking for this.
Just say the word, and I'll call in a care package full of defensive gear.
It's go time.
Contact.
Scanning the area.
Recharging my shields.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Reloading.
Scratch that.
Sending out my decoy.
Medkit here.
Reloading. Reloading.
It's go time. It's go
Shield
time.
battery here.
Sending out my decoy.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
Attention.
Attention.
The climatizer,
The climatizer
is
is
now
now
inactive.
Shotgun bolt
Snapper
here.
stuff here.
Level 3.
Level 2.
Scanning the area. Sending out my decoy. Decoy escape deployed.
Doc will.
Oh lord, some shit back here.
That's plenty of here.
Reloading the mid-down. Shoot him. I'm the kill leader.
Sending out my decoy.
Scanning the area.
Recharging shields.
Battling the enemy.
Contact.
Reloading.
Recharging my shields.
Round two. Ring countdown.
Shoot him.
Oh lord. Someone wandered into our safe space.
Scanning the area.
Stop here.
Attention. Climatizer is now
Lost
active.
the last of that enemy squad.
Reach sniper stock here. Level 3.
Extended flashbang round ready.
Charging shields. Come on.
Shoot him.
Medkit here.
Reloading.
Scanning the area.
Reloading.
Contact.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Stock here. Level 3.
Shoot him. I'm the kill leader. No wrong with me. Medkit here.
Reloading.
Shield battery here.
Shoot him.
Sending out my decoy.
Reloading. I have an extended sniper
Shield
mag
battery
here.
here.
Level 3.
Recharging my shields. Sending out my decoy.
Contact.
One more minute to go.
Medkit
Right
here.
there. So close. So close. Scanning the area. Phoenix kit here.
Sending out my decoy.
Reloading.
I'm going in.
Shoot him. Sniper stock here. Level 3.
Scanning the
Stay
area.
close to recharging my shields. Sniper stock here. Level 3. Stay close to Doc if you're hurting. Extended heavy mag here. Level 3.
Battling the enemy. Making contact here.
Reload.
Enemy down.
Charging shields. Come on.
Warning.
Scanning the
Movement
area.
in progress.
We're outside the ring. Awesome.
Care package
Recharging my shields.
Recharging shield. Reloading. That is another squad. Making contact here. That is another squad. They are attacking. Battling the enemy. Recharging shields.
Shoot him.
Thunder hostile.
Reloading.
Multi. Scanning the area.
Replicator being delivered.
Making contact here. Reloading.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3. Reloading.
Contact.
Contact.
Scanning the area.
Reloading. Making contact here.
Another squad is attacking us.
Shoot him. Enemy down.
Reloading. Reloading.
Shoot him.
That is another squad. They are attacking.
Got another squad coming in.
Battling the enemy. Thunder hostile. Sending out my
Shield
decoy.
battery here.
Recharging my
Charging shields.
shields.
Come on. Come on.
Recharging shield.
Recharging my shields.
Contact. Reloading. Reloading.
Medkit here.
Scanning
We
the
got another
area.
squad here.
Oh lord. Someone wandered into our safe space.
Recharging my shields.
That is another squad. They are attacking. only contact. Battling the enemy. Contact. Opening fire. Reloading. Opening fire. Reloading.
Shooting! Big up to us. That was the last one in the
Contact
squad.
here. Recharging my shields.
Rich
Send out
extended
my
life
decoy.
mag here. Level 3.
It's go time.
Reloading. Medkit here.
One more minute,
Recharging
Tango.
shields.
Rings right there. So close. So close. Shield battery
Shield
here.
battery here. Reloading. Evo shield here. Level 3.
Throwing jump
Send
pad.
out my decoy. Reloading.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Sending out my decoy.
Evo shield here. Level 3. Listen up. Got another squad coming under. Shooting! Reloading.
Scanning the area.
Just say the word, and I'll call in a care package for the defensive gear. Reloading.
Contact.
Reloading.
Scanning the area. Enemy down.
Warning. Warning. Improvement in progress.
Opening fire.
Rich.
Scanning the area. Making contact here. Reloading.
Care package being
Recharging
delivered.
shields. Shield battery here.
Rich barrel stabilizer here.
Replicator
Level 3.
being
Calling in a
delivered.
lifeline package.
Reloading. Scanning the area. Let's go the sniper stock here. Level 3.
Recharging my shields.
Reloading. Recharging my shield.
Okay, so after about 60 minutes of gaming, actually a bit longer on the F3, let's measure the device temperature. On the F4 GT, we see a slightly lower temperature of 41.9 degrees, while on the F3, it's 42.5 degrees. This result is consistent with our Genshin Impact test, which proved that the F4 GT might have slightly better cooling mechanism. So the temperature after gaming is slightly lower. However, if you look at the performance, that's where it's very interesting, right? So again, the Poco F3 actually outperforms the Poco F4 GT by a lot. Here you can see that throughout the whole run of game, the Poco F3 was able to maintain very close to 60 FPS performance, while the Poco F4 GT wasn't able to do so, right? So you can see that the FPS of the Poco F4 GT continue to degrade over time, and in the end, the average FPS is only 47.5, while the Poco F3 scored a very impressive 59.3. And what's worse for the Poco F4 GT is that the F3 achieved better performance at much lower power consumption. So the efficiency difference is actually very, very big here. You can see that the Poco F3 only used on average 4.06 watts of power, while on the F4 GT, this figure is more than 30% higher at 5.48 watts. So in this game in particular, the efficiency difference is very big. It's like almost 60%, right? The F3 is almost 60% more efficient than the F4 GT. And here is the overall results. I put the F3 and F4 GT results into the table so that you can compare it against other devices. You can see that the F3 actually performs quite well. It's one of the best or better devices we've tested. And the F4 GT is unfortunately the worst device of the year. Yes, so when you said that we shouldn't judge one device based on one game, I agree. So we've tested another game, and it's still not good, right? It's still that the F3 is much better than F4 GT. So my conclusion and my recommendation holds. At this point, don't waste your money on the F4 GT. if you are on a budget, maybe just consider the F3, which you can get for less than $300, I think. And if you are looking for the best, then skip the F4 GT and 8 Gen 1 altogether. Just wait for 1 or 2 more months when the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 comes out. We'll see how those devices perform. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.